Some interesting facts about America. The United States of America is a diverse and influential country, known for its cultural richness, natural wonders, and groundbreaking achievements. Here are some fascinating facts about this remarkable nation. 1. Diversity. The USA is one of the most multicultural countries, with over 300 languages spoken. 2. National parks. The United States has 63 national parks, including the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone, and Yosemite. 3. Library of Congress. Located in Washington, D.C., it is the largest library in the world, housing over 170 million items. 4. Largest economy. The U.S. has the largest economy in the world, contributing about a quarter of the global GDP. 5. Road network. The U.S. has the longest road network in the world, spanning over 6.5 million kilometers. 6. Burgers and coffee. The U.S. is the birthplace of fast food and one of the largest consumers of coffee. 7. Hollywood. It's the global center of the film industry, producing hundreds of movies every year. 8. Ghost towns. There are over 3,800 ghost towns in the U.S., many dating back to the gold rush era. 9. Space exploration. NASA is a leader in space exploration and sent the first humans to the moon in 1969. 10. Lake Superior. It is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area, located on the border with Canada. In conclusion, the United States stands out for its diversity, innovation, and cultural significance. Its unique blend of history, natural beauty, and global influence makes it a truly remarkable country. What do you find most fascinating about the United States?